Vivo launched its new mid-range smartphone under T-series in India called Vivo T3 Pro, with 5G support. Now let's have a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Vivo T3 Pro features a tall 6.77-inch Full HD plus 3D curved AMOLED display, with up to 120Hz refresh rate, and up to 4500 nits of peak brightness support. Under the hood, the phone comes powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 chipset, paired with Adreno 720 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM that can be extended up to another 8GB by using internal storage, and it has 128 or 256GB of UFS 2.2 storage. As per the optics, the Vivo T3 Pro sports a dual camera setup on the rear that includes a 50-megapixel main camera with Sony IMX882 sensor, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording, and there is 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens with 120-degree field of view. The rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 4K videos at 60 frames per second. At the front it has 16-megapixel selfie camera under the hole punch at the top center, with f2.45 aperture. The device comes backed by a massive 5500 mAh battery, with 80 watts flash charging support, and it runs on Android 14, with FunTouch OS 14 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP64 certified for dust and splash resistance, and it also includes a large VC heat dissipation system to keep the device cool in extreme conditions. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 163.72 by 75 by 8 mm, and it weighs around 190 grams. So now let's take a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Vivo T3 Pro 5G has been priced in India for 8GB plus 128GB storage variant at 24,999 Indian rupees, while the 8GB plus 256GB storage option is priced at 26,999 Indian rupees. The smartphone is said to go on sale in the country starting from September 3rd in emerald green and sandstone orange color options. So, what do you guys think of this Vivo T3 Pro 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.